Hello all, welcome to another edition of Quick Excel. Today we're going to be going over sorting. This should be a quick topic. So the first thing when you get a data table like this, if you want to sort, you go up to the ribbon, select data. Now there's a quick way to do it, which is if you only want to sort by one column, you can, let's say order date, select the order date, and if you want to do ascending, click this. If you want to do descending, click that button. So that's the quick way to do it. If you want to sort by more columns, you'll have to select this sort button here. You can see it's already pre-populated with the sort I already did. If you want to add an additional sort level after this sort, you can just click the add level, and then you can click, let's say, order by ship date, and you can select whether you want to do ascending or descending. If it's a date, it'll say newest to oldest or oldest to newest. If it's a string, it'll say A to Z or Z to A, and so on. One other thing to note, sometimes Excel doesn't realize that your top row is a header, so sometimes you'll have to check this box here so that Excel knows you have headers on your data table. So another thing is, so let's do that. So another thing is you can also sort by color. So if I go ahead and choose some cells and give them a yellow, and let's say we'll give these cells red. Now if I go back to sort, and we'll delete these sorts and create a new one. So now we're going to sort by order ID. So another selection here you can do is based on the cell color. So you can choose what you want on top, so let's say red on top. And you can see that it'll move the red up to the top and it'll keep the default sort of everything else. And then if you want to move yellow up to the top, you can do that as well. And then the other option is by font color. So if I choose, instead of coloring the cell, if I change the font of some of these, then I can sort by that as well. So if I choose font color and I move, then it will, well, by default it did that. If I choose red, then it'll bring those reds up to the top. And then there's only one other real option, which is cell icons, which is an option that you can do if you do some of the conditional formatting. You can do some icon sets, and then it'll sort basically like your cell colors, except by the icons. And that's all you really need to know to do sorting. All right, thank you very much.